Hi everyone, I'm Pratiksha, Product Marketing Manager at SAP. Welcome to this video showing how pre-built Joule skills can streamline common tasks in SAP Build Workzone. If you've ever struggled to find the right workspace, build one from scratch, or dig through folders and tabs just to add content, you know how many steps that can take. What if Joule could do all of that for you with simple prompts? In this video, you'll see how to use Joule to search for existing workspaces, create a new workspace, upload documents to a workspace, and add members. By the end, you'll know how to use these pre-built Joule skills to create and manage digital workspaces faster and more easily. Let's see this in action. I'm in my demo environment of SAP Build Workzone. I click on the Joule icon here to open the chat interface. The first thing I do is to find all the workspaces available to me. I ask Joule to show me all my workspaces. Joule executes this task and shows me a list of all my workspaces. I can even ask Joule to find me a specific workspace. Let's say I want to search for mentorship-related workspaces. I type in, find workspaces related to mentorship. Joule executes this task and quickly generates the list of workspaces related to mentorship. Now, let me show you how you can create and manage a new workspace. I type into the Joule interface, create a new workspace for new Joule capabilities. Joule will pull in multiple pre-built skills to achieve this. It first fetches me the available templates to get me started. I choose the knowledge sharing template here, and then it asks me to confirm the name of the workspace. After executing the task, Joule lets me know that it has created the workspace. At the same time, my feed also has new updates on this newly created workspace. So I go into the workspace and check it out. Now, I'm going to upload some documents into this newly created workspace. But I'm going to do this using Joule. I type into Joule, I want to upload a document to the workspace new Joule capabilities. Joule first confirms the workspace to which the document has to be added. Then it asks me to select the desired folder. And after I do so, it asks me to drag and drop the file directly into the chat. And I do this. Once Joule accepts the file and uploads it, it tells me that the file has been added. To see whether it has really been added, I go into the content folder of the workspace and check the files there. The file I uploaded, called Workspace Best Practices Guide, has been added here. So that's great. Let's go back to the Workspace's main page. Right now, I'm the only member of this workspace. Let's add some new members via Joule. I open my chat interface again and type in, add Anakin, who is another user in this environment, into the workspace, new Joule capabilities. Joule asks me to confirm the workspace. After that, Joule finds me a list of all users by this name, and I select the one I want to add. Once I do that, Joule confirms that it has added Anakin to the workspace I specified. Let me go check. I see that Anakin has been added and an invite has been sent to him. Once he accepts the invite, he will become a member of this workspace. Now, wasn't that simple? With natural language prompts to Joule, you can now create workspaces, find workspaces, add members, or upload documents, all within the chat window. Thank you for watching.